Do you want to know how to get BIOS key for Windows PC? Then you are at the right place, as here is that in detail. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. BIOS stands for Basic Input-Output System. When we turn on our computer, BIOS performs a hardware test called POST or Power On Self Test. After the successful completion of the POST, it then loads the operating system. Every computer has a dedicated key to access the BIOS. This key is different for computers of different make. This video shows how to get the BIOS key for HP, Dell, Acer, Lenovo, MSI and Gigabyte computers. Let's get started. Method 1. Get BIOS key for HP computers. Visit the official support website of HP. Type your HP model name or serial number and hit enter. The website should show you your HP product on the screen. Now click on the Setup and User Guides option. Select the Setup and User Guides category from the left side. Click on the User Guide link on the right side. The User Guide PDF will open in your web browser. You can download it. The user manual has different chapters. Locate the BIOS chapter to view the dedicated key to access the BIOS. Go to that chapter and you will see the method to access the BIOS along with the required key. Method 2. How to get the Dell BIOS key. Users with Dell laptops or PCs have to visit the official website of Dell to view or download the user manual. Visit the official support website of Dell. Let Dell detect your product or enter your computer model name or serial number manually. After that, hit enter. Go to the Documentation tab. Scroll down to the Manuals and Documents section. Click on the View PDF link to open the PDF in your web browser. If you want, you can download the PDF. Locate the BIOS chapter in the table of contents. Go to the BIOS chapter. You will see the key to access your Dell computer BIOS there. If you want to know in details, follow this blog or this website. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.